Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, I'm Judy and this is John. You are listening to J&J English Cafe.
So, grab a cup of coffee and join us for a chat.
Today, we're going to spend a few minutes learning something useful together.
I'm ready. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome to J&J English Cafe. I am John.
And I am Judy. How are you today, John? You look a little tired.
Well, honestly, Judy, I do not feel very well today. My chest feels very hot and it is a bit hard to swallow. It is a very strange feeling.
Oh no, that sounds very uncomfortable. When did this feeling start?
It started late last night. I was very hungry, so I ate a big pizza with extra spicy peppers and drank 2 cans of soda. Then, I went straight to sleep because I was exhausted.
I think I know what is happening. It sounds like you have acid reflux.
Acid reflux? That sounds like a very difficult medical word. What does it mean exactly?
Do not worry, it is very common. Think of your stomach like a small bag filled with food and acid. There is a small door at the top of your stomach that connects to your throat. Usually, this door stays closed to keep the food and acid inside the bag.
Okay, I follow you. So the door is supposed to stay shut?
Exactly, but sometimes that door does not close tightly or it opens when it should not. When that happens, the acid from your stomach goes up into your throat. That is why your chest feels like it is on fire.
Oh, so that is why people call it heartburn?
Yes, that is exactly right. It has nothing to do with your heart, but because the pain is in your chest, we call it heartburn. It is just the acid touching the sensitive skin in your throat.
Wow, I see. But why did my door stay open last night? Was it the pizza?
Well, it was a combination of things. First, you ate a very big meal. When your stomach is too full, it creates a lot of pressure. That pressure pushes the door open.
That makes sense. I did eat a lot. What about the spicy peppers?
Spicy food is a very common trigger. Other triggers include oily food, chocolate, and even coffee. These things can make the stomach door relax too much. When the door is relaxed, the acid escapes easily.
Oh no, I love chocolate, and I drink coffee every single morning. Do I have to stop?
Not necessarily. But if you feel the burn, you should try to cut down. Maybe have 1 cup of coffee instead of 3.
I can try that. And you mentioned that I went to sleep right after eating. Was that a mistake?
Yes, John. Gravity is your best friend when it comes to digestion. When you stand or sit up, gravity helps keep the acid down in your stomach. But when you lie down flat on your bed, it is very easy for the acid to slide up into your throat.
Imagine that. I was actually helping the acid move up by lying down.
Exactly. That is why experts say you should wait at least 2 or 3 hours after eating before you go to bed.
3 hours? That is a long time to wait. What if I am really sleepy after a big dinner?
Well, if you must lie down, try using a few extra pillows. If you keep your head and chest higher than your stomach, gravity can still help you a little bit.
That is a great tip. I will try that tonight. But Judy, what can I do right now? My chest still feels a bit warm. Is there a way to stop the pain immediately?
Well, you can try drinking a little bit of warm water. Not a giant glass, just a few sips. Some people also find that ginger tea helps a lot. Ginger is very good for calming the stomach.
Ginger tea? I think I have some in my kitchen cabinet.
Good. Go make some. Also, check your clothes. Are you wearing a tight belt today?
Actually, yes, I am. I wore my favorite tight jeans today. Why?
If your clothes are too tight around your waist, they press on your stomach. This pressure pushes the acid upward. Try to wear loose clothes when your stomach feels bad.
Oh, let me loosen my belt right now. You are right. I feel a little bit better already.
Nice. See? Small changes make a big difference.
So, let me see if I remember everything. To prevent this, I should avoid very oily or spicy food, especially at night. I should also eat smaller meals so my stomach isn't too full.
You got it. And remember to stay upright after eating. Maybe take a short walk instead of sitting on the sofa.
A walk sounds nice. I will do that after my lunch today.
That is a healthy habit. But John, If this happens to you very often, like more than twice a week, you should definitely go see a doctor. Sometimes it can be a more serious problem.
I understand. If it keeps happening, I will make an appointment. But for now, I think the ginger tea and the loose belt will help me.
I am glad to hear that. Take care of your stomach, John.
I will, Judy. Thank you for the advice. And thanks for listening, everyone. We hope you learned something useful today.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Wow, that was a very interesting topic, Judy. I hope our listeners enjoyed it too.
I hope so. If you like the vibes here at our cafe, please subscribe and give us a 5-star review.
Also, don't forget to check the show notes for the vocabulary list and today's key phrases.
Thanks for stopping by J&J English Cafe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.